Missing someone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at Great Adventure on March 27th, 2021 to look at Jersey Devil Coaster for our construction update number 12. Since our last update, they have completed topping off and the whole track is now completed. In just a moment, I'm going to put clips on screen about them topping off, so enjoy that. Now that that's done, let's look at what is happening today at the construction site. As I mentioned before, the track is complete and they are continuing to work on the maintenance shed and the station. As you can see, the station presumably looks pretty well done. There's also a panel up in the station, and if we look over at the maintenance bays, almost the whole building's siding is complete, which that looks great. I can't wait to see this ride complete. It's going to be really fun and really entertaining to ride, take photos of, and watch everyone's reactions.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Normal. I am sad and so low. I am sad and so low.
Now, before we end the video, let's go over toward Nitro to Jersey Devil BBQ, the brand new restaurant opening this year at Great Adventure, which is taking the place of Italian pizza or pasta, whatever it was. Here we are. We can see the sign on the building. It's looking good. Although we don't know the menu yet. What I've heard is pulled pork, brisket, charbroiled burgers. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.